Hey, my friend, here's a way on you can have at least 3 extra income streams, and all you need is your phone and be willing to send a text message. Maybe send an image, all right, to family and friends, people that you know. You start there, and then you can move up to one more simple way. If you're willing to get in front of your camera or get behind your camera and share and upload that video or upload that image and put your website link in the video description, you can have 3 income streams. What are they? Because I want to jump right into it, because I know more than likely you work full time, at least I do, and you don't have time to hear anything about me, okay? So let's go. One is a cashback app, and you have to be a new customer. And the incentive that the company is giving its members is when you refer a new customer, this is what the new customer does. You create an account, you go in this cashback app, and you find a retailer that you normally shop, and you purchase at least $50. When you do that, this cashback app is going to give you $50 in your account. That's the incentive. That's the promotion. You can use that for more shopping, or you can have them send you what they call a big fat check. All right? With this one, because all of the companies, they all have different referral type of requirements, but this one, you need to use the link that when someone sends you, you need to use the link within 90 days. I think the link will still work, but the person who sent it to you, they may not get the incentive, and I'm not sure if you'll get the incentive either. So these things are quick, simple actions that you should take. So this one, the cashback app, just to recap, you create an account, you got to be new customer, create an account, spend 50, you get 50. All right, the person that referred you gets 50 as well. Okay, there we go. When you do it, you refer someone, they're going to get 50, you're going to get 50, provided that everything is, all the requirements are followed. The second one is a prepaid debit card. How does that work? You request the debit card. You do have to be a new customer. You get that debit card, you add $40. It has to be $40. So it costs about $3, $4 to load the money. So you're going to give the cashier $45 or $46, right? Because it has to land $40. That's going to trigger the system that, oh, they added 40. What happens? You'll get 20. And then when you refer new customers to this prepaid card, they go through everything, they follow all the requirements. They add 40, they're going to get 20, you're going to get 20. You see? So these companies are paying you to do one particular action. That's two streams of money right there. The third one, and this is my last one, it's a bank. Again, you got to be a new customer. New customer, you create an account, you add $50, it has to be $50. You add $50 with your debit checking card, okay? And provided that everything goes good, this bank is going to add a $25 cash bonus to your balance. Yes. And then when you refer people, new people, to this bank, they do the same thing. They create an account, they add 50 with their debit checking card. They follow everything goes through, they get a $25 cash bonus. You're going to get a $75 cash bonus. Yes. Yes. And right now they're running a promotion where you'll get a $100 cash bonus. Yes. So that is 3 money streams that you can start today. Yeah. Because it doesn't take very long for you to set up any of those. The one that you will be waiting the longest on is the prepaid card, because it takes about 7 to 10 days for you to receive your card in the mail. Now, 2 other things I want to cover. What's in it for me? And I have this in the video description. If you, my friend, use my website links for these 3 that I mentioned, and everything goes good, I may receive a $20 cash bonus, $50 cash bonus, or a $75 cash bonus, And if the promo is still going on, I could receive a $100 cash bonus. So that's my disclaimer there, right? But it's no extra out of your pocket. The company is sending all this. The last thing that I mention is, what if you click the video description, those links, and you're like, oh, I'm already a member of that cashback app. Oh, I already have that checking account. Oh, I already have that prepaid account. The prepaid account, you may not know until you get it, and you load 40, and they're like, you don't see the 20, and then you chat with customer service. They're like, oh, we have in our system that you are a previous member. No problem. No problem. Because why isn't it a problem? Because the incentive works for you as well. So you can just start telling people. You can start sharing with people, right? Ooh, may I mention one more thing? Another reason why this is going really well for me is people understand checking accounts. They're like, all I gotta do is start a checking account and I can get $25. Yeah. All I gotta do is add $40 and I can get 20 for this prepaid card. Yes. Okay, all I gotta do is shop, because I shop online anyway, but I go through this app, shop, and I can get $50 for that? Yes. You got to add 50 to get 25 and refer to get 75, right? You got to add 40 to get 20 and refer, you get 20. You got to shop with 50 to get 50, right? And when you refer, you get 50. Yes, as long as you follow all of these steps. So I'm having fun with this. I want you to have fun with this, but that's three money streams that you could potentially begin to start receiving. And you can just text that. That's what I first did. First time I texted to a couple of family members and I knew, hey, they own this, right? And then I talked to a couple of colleagues in person because I work with them. So I just went to their office. Boom. When you get off work, okay, let's do this. Boom. Did that. And then when I kind of ran out of those people, I started coming online and posting. So you'll know about it. All right, I got to get going. I know you do too. Many blessings. Click the links in the video description. Have at it. It's 3 money streams that you could potentially start today. Many blessings.